Welcome to Brookberry Farm, a community where elegant design meets everyday comfort. Today, I'm excited to show you the last available cottage in Phase 2. And trust me, it won't last long. Located at 322 Matisse Ct in Winston-Salem, this beautiful home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 2,000 square feet of stylish living space. As you walk in, you're welcomed by a bright and open living room with a stunning fireplace, perfect for cozy moments with family or friends. The space flows seamlessly into the dining area and the dream kitchen. Take a look at this kitchen, complete with a center island, spacious walk-in pantry, elegant cabinetry, and stylish pendant lighting. Every detail has been thoughtfully designed for modern living. On the main level, you'll find the primary suite, a spacious bedroom with a large walk-in closet and a private bathroom, featuring a double vanity and a luxurious walk-in shower. Step out onto the screened porch, perfect for relaxing afternoons while enjoying your backyard. And don't forget, you'll have access to amazing community amenities like a pool, fitness center, tennis courts, hammock park, and more. Before heading upstairs, you'll find a guest bathroom and a laundry area, with built-in shelving and cabinets conveniently connected to the 2-car garage. Let's go upstairs. From the stair landing, you get a beautiful view of the main living area below. Up here, you'll find 2 bright bedrooms, each with a closet, and a shared buddy bath with a double sink vanity, ideal for guests or family. This is a 2024 new construction home, located in one of Winston-Salem's most sought-after communities. Move-in ready and waiting for you. Interested in a private tour or want to join us for our next open house? Message me today.